This is verb. Here's an extra lecture over section 4.4b. Basically, there's three formulas. The simple interest formula, where your final amount equals your principal, 1 plus RT, where this is decimal. So if you get 7% interest rate, R is 0.07. And time is in years. Years. No compounding, just a one-time deal. So if you got $10,000 at 6%, how about at 7%? Over 20 years, that's your final amount. And I don't have my calculator up and running here. Oh, maybe I do. Yeah, okay, on. So we got, let me see if I can move this. Okay, clear. 10,000, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.07 times 20. And we get $24,000 even over 20 years. Next is the compound interest formula, where M is number of times it's compounded per year. So if M is compounded yearly, or M when compounded yearly, M equals 1. When M is compounded quarterly, that means 4 times a year. Weekly, M is 52 times. Daily, M is 365. And most importantly, monthly. World mostly revolves around this one. Compounded monthly, M is 12. So, once again, same problem as above, 7% times 20. But let's do yearly or annually. So your final amount equals P, $10,000, 1 plus 0.07 divided by 1, because annually, to the 1 times 20. Get out your calculator, and you go 10,000, 1 plus 0.07 divided by 1, so nothing, raised to the 20. 38,696.84. You gotta look, you gotta carry all those decimals out. 696.84. I imagine a lot of your difficulty will be using your calculator. I personally, if I do it step by step, I like write down all 10 decimals, and I use all 10 decimals to the very end. If you can work it on the screen, that's even better, like do all the steps. Let's do monthly. 10,000, 1 plus 0.07 over M, 12 to the 12 times 20. You got to do that calculation at 12 times 20. So I'll show you how I do it, not on the fancy calculator. I'll pretend I don't have one. So first thing I do is 12 times 20, 240. And then I'll do the 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12, and I'll write down all the decimals. 1.05, thought I took care of that. 0058, 0058, threes forever. Then I go 10,000. Oh no, actually I go 1.00583 raised to the 240. Then I go times 10,000. I get $40,000, 387. 40,000, 387 point. Look at the third decimal. Got an 8, so 39. And then yearly, you do the exact same thing. I mean, daily, you do put a 365 in where the 12 is. Do the same thing. The other problem is basically you're trying to isolate P, A, over plus R over M to the MT. All I did is manipulate the final problem. Now, this is maybe my daughter's case. Let's say we needed $100,000. So our final amount is we need $100,000, and we're going to save for just 18 years at an average rate of 6% and monthly to the 12 times 18 years, because I want to figure out how much we needed in an account when my daughter was born to actually have $100,000 for her education. So that's this problem here, and we got to do our math, and I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to do it half on the calculator. 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. Then I'm going to raise that to the, watch this, 12 times 18. I should have done that calculation. So 2.93. So 2.93. Come on, calculator. 676. 676. 5972. Then I'm going to go 100,000 divided by 2.936765972. I needed $34,051. Look at the third decimal. That's a 106. When she was born, to have $100,000. Now, this by no means is like your whole assignment, but it is what I use repeatedly, except for one of the questions. I think there's 11 questions. Here's 9 out of 11. That's the procedure. Hope it helps. A little more calculator usage. I wanted to make sure you understand that I have no problem running 9, 10 decimals deep. I have no problem writing them all down. I have no problem typing them all in. I just don't want to have a rounding error right here. And from the phone calls, text, that's been the problem, is you're not running enough decimals deep. Perhaps it's my problem, but MML is saying, don't round to the final till the end. That means keep your decimals. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this one helps you out. See you later. Bye.